Freedom Nation.
What's going on, you guys? Romeo with Freedom Nation here again with another video, and I want to share with you a wonderful opportunity that I am actually taking advantage of myself currently as we speak. So I am doing this off of experience as well as doing this with you for those of you who are willing and up for the challenge. If you guys want to know what it is, I know you do. Those who are serious, stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back. And I know probably about this point, you're probably thinking about what is this opportunity that Drew's talking about? Well, without further ado, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's the One Funnel Away Challenge. The One Funnel Away Challenge is a challenge that's been set up by ClickFunnels by the owner Russell Brunson and his team that has devised a way for 30 days to have you create a funnel that's gonna be profitable for you, or the goal is for it to be profitable within 30 days. Whether it is a product or service that you're actually selling, whether it's digital or physical, rather if you don't even have anything to sell yet, they'll tell you or show you ways you can figure out the thing that you can sell and build your funnel around, okay? And all the steps that you need to know are right here in this beautiful box, okay? So once you join the challenge, they send you this wonderful care package where you can begin your journey for learning how to create your first funnel and get it live within 30 days. So without further ado, how this video is gonna be structured, I'm gonna do the unboxing first, show you what's in the box that you get with the care package, and then quickly I'm gonna show you online how the One Funnel Away Challenge looks like and what you can expect once you sign up. Sounds fair? Awesome. So if you guys, how many of you guys are serious? You guys serious about this? Great, so I'm taking that as a yes. As we open the box, you're gonna get this wonderful care package here, and what you're gonna see is all this fluff and fruit. Through that though, you're gonna get this book. They wrap it up really nicely for you so that way you can actually open it. It's a wonderful gift. It says just 30 days. And what it is it's a collection of stories from different 2 Comma Club winners. So 2 Comma Club is an award that is given to members in ClickFunnels community who have earned $1 million or more through one funnel. Okay, and so what they've done is they handpicked 30 people that can explain their story, and they gave them a scenario. If you lost everything, including all your money, your business, and only had your skills, how and what would you do to get all what you have now back within 30 days? And so each of them told their story. In this book, you'll have people with different backgrounds, products, digital products, physical products, all kinds of products, for services, business to business, B2B, it doesn't matter what it is, MLM, their stories are in here for you to learn from them, okay? So here's the number 1 gift you get in there, okay? The next one is an MP3. This MP3 right here allows you to listen, for those of you who are on the go quite a bit, going to work, on your way to work, or even in your office, you can listen to it, and so that way you always can stay in tune with what's going on. The next thing you're gonna see is it's a workbook, right? This workbook is probably gonna be one of the biggest game changers. It allows you to take notes while you're learning and while you're hearing the sessions from the coaches. Some of the golden nuggets that they drop on these classes that they do online are gonna be so valuable for you to take notes on, so that way you can actually keep up with some of the notes that will allow you to propel you to success. They have doodles in here and things for you to write down, fill in the blanks, and also areas for you to just take massive notes, all right? You need that. And of course, ClickFunnels, they have a 2 Comma Club coaching program for those of you who are extremely serious, who wants to launch your business to the next level. This 2 Comma Club coaching program is here for those of you who want to take advantage of it, and it explains for you step by step exactly what the coaching program offers and how you can benefit. If it's for you, take another look at this, getting coached by people who've actually won the 2 Comma Club awards, and so that way you can learn how they earn and learn from them some of the lessons they learn along the way, right? And what better way than to have one-on-one coaching, group coaching through people who've already done it, all right? So this right here will give you all the information about that. And essentially, that's everything you get in the box, which is already massive enough, right, to get you through and allow you to be successful in this program. Next step, what we're gonna do is gonna go live on my computer so I can show you exactly what it looks like on the website. So when you're scrolling through, you know exactly what you're gonna be seeing and learning all at the same time. All right, stay tuned. Hey guys, okay, we're live here on the One Funnel Away Challenge website. Like I promised you, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough so that way you guys know exactly what it is to expect when you're on the web page here. Okay, so first things first, you're going to only want to focus over here on this tab right here. This first tab is going to welcome you. It's going to be a message from Russell Brunson himself after the intro goes on, where the Mission Impossible guy comes in. You do that, Russell says welcome to you, and that's where he's going to say thanks for purchasing the One Funnel Away Challenge to kind of gear you up to get ready and get pumped to get started. The next most important tab is right underneath it. It's going to be called Mission Training. So this Mission Training tab is where you're going to see all your missions for that entire weeks to come, okay? All right, so the first one we're going to click on is going to be your secret mission area, and this is like your home base, right? So you start here, you're going to click on this. What this takes you is to that special Facebook page or the Facebook group that I was telling you about. So every month, the new Facebook group is created. So the people you began this mission with or began this One Funnel Away Challenge with, you'll be able to converse with them continually on in this Facebook group as this challenge is going on. And therefore, you guys can use each other as support groups and kind of like mingle and ask questions. Coaches will be doing lives in this group, therefore answering any questions, any burning questions you may have, all in that group. So make sure you sign up for that. Follow all the instructions here. And then every day for the next 30 days, a new mission will pop up just like this. You see me going down the list. So try not to fall behind. This is one of the best tips I can tell you right now. Do not fall behind. If you do, they'll give you some catch-up days, which are going to be vital for you to catch up, usually around the weekends. So that way you can catch up with some of the videos, be able to take notes, and ask the right questions before moving on to the next mission, okay? And so the first one real mission would look like, let's say You Must Believe, right? Their goal is to spend the first week kind of destroying the myths you may have in the past about business, things you may not understand. If you're totally brand new, just the whole concept of structuring an offer and building a story and building a hook and how to captivate your audience or your potential customers, right? And so all of that's being broken down the first week, and then formulating and structuring how to build an offer physically. They're going to go through. Julie Stone is amazing at this. She's going to go through and help you to do that. Russell Brunson is amazing at the conceptualization, and Stephen Larson is awesome at explaining and giving stories to back up all of the other lessons that you guys will be learning each and every day. Okay, so let's start with number one, right? Mission number one. I'm not going to go through every single one of these because I just feel like it'd be unfair. This is what's going to look like. Russell Brunson is going to do his quick intro for each and every mission and kind of explain the concept. Stephen Larson's hones you in, and Julie will hone you in. These are the coaches you'll be seeing. This is Stephen Larson. You can hear him, his signature boom. Take a listen.
Boom! What's going on, everyone? Steve.
I never get tired of that, and he's going to keep you pumped the entire time during this entire challenge. So guys, again, once you go down here, you're going to see one each and every day for 30 days. You need to stay strong. If you need, I'm going through it as well. As you can see, I still got 1 or 2 modules to catch up with, and I am doing my best to keep up, okay? The problem is many people give up. Many people just don't even try hard enough in order to live and to achieve the things that they're able to achieve. And so if you want a 1% life, you need to do what the 99% will not do. I can't stress that enough. On top of all this, you also get the bonus tab here, which gives you each and every person that has been mentioned inside of that special book I told you about. They're going to be explaining their story, and explaining the situation, like if they lost everything and they only had 30 days to gain it all back with only the knowledge that they had, right? They lost their money, their house, and everything. If they only had 30 days to get it all back, what would they do? And each person, went down and kind of gave their own 2 piece of information. This is like worth its weight in gold. Take a second and really watch each and every one of these, because somebody will resonate with you. I promise you that. Somebody's story will resonate with you, and you will be able to carry it on through the entire challenge and hopefully beyond that in your life, and be able to explain it to others who may be experiencing similar situations, okay? And the affiliate bootcamp is going to be showing you exactly how to affiliate for ClickFunnels and also the One Funnel Away Challenge. So all the skills you'll be learning here, remember, you're not starting your forever business. This is just to get you a head start into something. It's a low ticket, easy offer to be created because every offer has the same structure. So once you complete this 30-day challenge, you'll be set up to, again, repeat the same system, right? So that you can offer something later on that you have, maybe that's going to be a high ticket item, or maybe a service you decide to start, or maybe you figured out like, hey, I want to start a business now around the knowledge that I have and become the expert and let the world know about it. And now you have some skills that you can apply yourself onto that idea and make it real, make it, like you can touch it, tangible. So once you go live online, you'll have all your funnel knowledge you can apply to that new idea and have it and go live immediately. Okay. So I really hope you guys really see the value in this. I really, really want you to see that this one funnel away challenge is exactly what you may need in order to actually attain practically that $100 per day. Okay. And I will show you, look at some of these screenshots that I have here. Okay. Look at these screenshots. These screenshots are living proof that I've done it. I've used the tactics from the one funnel away challenge to earn myself anywhere between $5,000, $6,000, $10,000, even $15,000. And it was all because I stuck to the plan. I stuck to the strategies that I was taught, and then I applied them, and these are the results. I know that I'm not average, and I know you, if you're watching this, you're not average either. Go ahead and kill it. I'll see you guys on the next side. I'll hopefully see you on the next video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like this video so that other people like you can see it as well. And I'll be seeing you guys soon.